We've got just such a beautiful collection of fabrics today. This royal blue, purple, both of them continue, not only are popular now, but continue into fall, which is really nice. This first fabric we have is a stretch woven, but with stretch in both directions. It is not a knit, it is a stretch woven. It just has stretch in both directions. Great drape, beautiful weight. You could just do pants, you could do the jacket, you could do anything with it. It's really beautiful, but it makes a great base for this next fabric, which you have, see, just it's a black and a gray, and it has these purple stripes all through it, like these purple flashes. So, I mean, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. This one is a viscose. It's got a 1% elastic in it. It was marked on there, otherwise I would not know. This one is a cotton poly burnout. It's beautiful, beautiful fabric. So you can see that with the two together, they're just a really lovely combination. This is a royal blue, and it's again, great drape, great fabric. It's just, this has a little more purple tint to it, so I pulled this purple in, where the royal blue looks a little better with this one over here. So this is a, good on both sides. It's a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction. This was a woven, two-way stretch, woven, one-way stretch. Great fabric, cotton poly. Again, great fabric. Just really, really pretty. This is a woven. Love the pattern on this. See, it's just really nice there. Just zebra, kind of zebra-ish, sort of, kind of, contemporary zebra. It's a woven, 100% cotton. And then we have this embroidery. It's embroidered on both ends. Lovely fabric. Lovely. It's a sheer, as you can see. It's a cotton poly, and then it has the embroidery on it. Embroidery is on both sides. You can tell by looking at the one side that it's the wrong side, but if it were just hanging down, it'd be hard to tell. But it's really pretty. The embroidery is about 8 inches wide, and it's on both ends. So the embroidery is tone on tone, and then a pink. So it's kind of a royal blue and a pink together. This is a woven fabric. This is also a woven fabric, 100% cotton. Now, we had this fabric. We sold out of it so quickly. We didn't have a lot of it, that I went back and found that she had more, and I got the rest of it, my jobber in New York. So I love this. 100% cotton, lightweight, beautiful, just beautiful, 100% cotton. Just a lovely piece of fabric. There you have it. The goal is easy to do. Have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.